Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to do the Antutu benchmark test in the POCO X3 device after updating to the latest version. And the Antutu benchmark test which I'm trying to do is a version of the 9.0 version. So let's see friends, in this latest Antutu benchmark test results, what will be the score we'll be getting in this POCO X3 smartphone. As you can see right now, I'm using the POCO X3 device, and few of the phones they did get the update of 12.0.9 as well. But right now I did have only 12.0.8 only. So let's see what is the score we can expect in this POCO X3 device. I think it's been very quite long mobile phone using this phone for a very long time. I think more than 6 months of usage with this POCO X3. So let's see friends, what will be the Antutu benchmark score once the test has been started. And if you're watching first time this channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel friends Sai Tech, and also don't forget to check the links in description for more details about the other videos which are uploaded. So you can find all the videos, links will be available in the description below friends. So let me try to quickly start the test to continue. So right now you can see friends, this is a new type of Antutu benchmark version 9 test which I'm trying to do in this POCO X3 device. So let's see what are the results we'll be getting in this POCO X3. So before the Antutu benchmark version 9, I think around 8 version, the Antutu benchmark score was about 2,70,000 in this phone. So let's see with the latest Antutu benchmark test results, what will be the Antutu benchmark score in this POCO X3. So which I'm very much curious to know how much the score we can get in this mobile phone. So the phone has got the Snapdragon 732G processor, and right now in the 2021 it's not that powerful enough, but definitely for the everyday day-to-day usage it's pretty good and decent without any issues. So again, I'll be back friends once the Antutu benchmark test results has been successfully completed, so you will get to know more details about this version 9. As you can see friends, even after testing the Antutu benchmark version 9, still the Antutu benchmark test results were about close to 2,73,000 only, as you can see friends, even after doing the version 9 test as well. So these are overall Antutu benchmark test results in this POCO X3 device. And for more videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel friends Sai Tech Guru, and also don't forget to check the links in description for more details. And that's it for this video friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, bye.